All right, for this Nomad Sculpt modeling video, we're gonna do a little pineapple. So let's go to the front. The shape is kind of ovally, like an egg-shaped head. So we are gonna go up like this. Actually, let's increase our radius. Go back. Okay, make sure X shape left. It's right about the same. All right, that's not bad. All right, so now we have our egg shape. Let's decrease radius. Let's flatten things out a little bit here. Okay. Cool, all right. And then we can start adding our leaf/rough edges here. So what we can do is go to, let's go to the box, make it flat, put it up, make it like this. All right, and then we need to make like a leaf shape out of this. So what we can do is smooth things out. Okay, good. Top. Make sure your symmetry is on and it's local. Forgot about that. Like that, okay. All right. Let's flatten this out a little bit with clay. Sub. Okay, and smooth it out. There we are. And now we drag it. Oh, sorry. No symmetry here. Now move it. Like that. Alright, now we can have our leaf there. It's not great, but it is a leaf. Alright. Okay, cool. Alright. Then let's take that, gizmo it, make it smaller, 9 degrees, and put it right about here. Then snap, take that off, and then we're gonna duplicate it. And we're just gonna keep on doing it like that. Duplicate. Remember, it doesn't have to be all the same. Right. Keep on duplicating. duplicate this one. Keep on keeping on. Then one last one. Duplicate. Let's see, pine apple, right? That's about right. All right. All right. And then we're gonna select all of these. And we're gonna simple merge them, and then we're gonna duplicate them, and then do, yep, something like this. Okay. And then we're gonna add those two together, simple merge, duplicate them again, make them smaller, like that, go in, and then let's duplicate that again, make them smaller, make the rotation a little different, like that. All right, and then we have our pineapple hair. We can select them all together, and then go to the front, and it could be like, that looks good. Not too bad. All right, and that's pretty much it. We do like a voxel merge if you like, but simple merge is fine too. All right. And now what we can do is, we're going to finish with the model. We can paint it, and we can just do simple colors. So for all of that, we can go to green, force paint, and then for this one, it's a yellow. Right, a yellowish orange, I think. Yeah. Force paint, and then we change the shading. Cool. So here you are. We have our little pineapple, and hopefully that helped you set up and make some pineapple leaves pretty easily. I'm gonna do some UV mapping, and then if you want the model, it'll be up online. All right. This is gonna take a little bit on map. Oh, he forgot. Okay, for this, make sure you put voxel. You might lose a little bit of resolution, but just so everything's pretty good. All right. And then unwrap. It's gonna take a little bit, so. For that, and then lastly unwrap for this. Oh, not too bad. And there we have all our little leaves for the pineapple unwrap. All right, thank you for watching, and